As you see here, when I connect my charger, there is no any charging. There is no any charging at all. So we have to replace the PCB port. Now I'm going to show you how to replace it and what do you need. All what you need is the PCB itself and the screwdriver. This is 0.6 screwdriver. You can get it easy from eBay. Now we are going to tear down the phone. Just watch me. You should start from here. Put your nail here and start to move. This is going to remove the back. Now you remove the back. Remove battery. You will find here the screws. You should remove all these screws around here. Now I removed all the screws and I'm going to remove this plastic piece. Remove the buttons here. And you can use a plastic card to remove this back. By this way. It's easy, very easy to remove, as you see. Just remove it, put the card here and move it like this. You will find it easy to remove, this way. From the back to the top, from the back to the top. Now remove this plastic piece. Just put it in here. Now we remove the plastic frame. Now we should remove the socket by this way. Okay, then remove the second one here, like this. And then remove the antenna here. Here is the antenna, we should remove it now. Okay. Now we remove the antenna like this. Okay, now your PCB is free and you can remove it easily. Use your card to remove it. This way. Use a card to remove the sticky from the back. Like this way. After we removed all the PCB port, we should replace the speaker from here to the new port. Now we're going to use the solder iron to replace the speaker from here to here. Now we remove the speaker by soldering iron like this. Now we removed the solder from the wires. You can use the plastic card to raise the speaker. Or this way. Okay. Now we remove the speaker like this, and I'm going to install it to the new PC port. Or this way. Now we're going to resolder the wires. By this way. And the second one. It is fixed now. Now your phone is ready to work. And now we are going to reassemble it again. Don't forget to connect the antenna wire here. It's okay now. Now we replace the vibrator motor pack on the new PSP port. All what you need now is to replace your plastic back again and reinstall the screws, all the screws. You should return your button pack before you completely reassemble your phone. By this way, the power button here, and the volume button here, by this way. Then you close your pack. All your screws are done now. Now, put your battery back and then test your charging. Now, connect your charger. Now, it's back to life again and charging. Good luck.